western Tennessee, Henry County in western Tennessee, until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:36 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Palmersville, or 16 miles northwest of Paris, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. In addition, a second severe storm was east of Bernier and was moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Paris, Paris Landing State Park, Cottage Grove, Roughton, Palmersville, Springville, Bernier, Big Sandy, Henry, Mansfield, Jones Mill, Old Springville, Crossland, Como, Brundage, Sunnyside, Woodlock, Porter Court, Conyers,ville and Pine Hill. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time for western Tennessee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.